Hi everyone, it's me, Toni, and
Mariah.
Today we are going to Hot Pilates, which is super exciting. We're going to show you why maybe you shouldn't go, or you should go.
You should go.
We'll see.
Your first class is for free.
The first class is free, that's why I'm going, and we're going to see how it is. It's in a hot 90-degree weather room, and we're doing Pilates, and I've never done Pilates before.
So basically it's like HIIT, which is high intensity training in 90-degree weather. It's hard, but look at those muscles.
Oh my god! And I don't have any. So we are going to go to HIIT, Hot Yoga Pilates training, and I'm gonna film it for you guys so you'll see what you think, and I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get right into it. See you there. We're meeting up with Milena right now, and Milena just got her hair done, so she's wearing a shower cap to Pilates. I have my towel, I have my water. Milena is is getting ready with her shower cap, and I will tune in. I'll show. Bye. It looks awesome.
Was it Pilates ready?
Yeah.
I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give.
This room is 90 degrees.
It feels like,
Yes.
it feels like I'm back home.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye.
We didn't even start yet, and I have beads of sweat on my forehead.
I think I'm sweating through this cap. It's not protecting.
That cap is like an insulator, so it's gonna sweat even more. Quick disclaimer, I did indeed take my shirt off in these next few clips, and it is not a good sight, and I'm sorry for my belly fat hanging out, but that's the reason I'm doing these classes, so please ignore those and stay tuned.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give
gonna pass out. We received a lavender towel. So cool. It was awesome. Well, that's the end. I'll catch in with you once I'm outside. Bye. Okay, so we've officially left Hot Pilates. My whole body is in pain. Melina almost passed out. I'm still sweating. I'm not wearing a jacket right now, and I think it's 20 degrees out. I'm filming. Okay, final review on Hot Pilates. It was awesome, but also wicked exhausting. I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10 because it was an awesome workout and the lady yelling at me was great motivation. However, the hot room made me want to pass out. I currently can't hold the camera because my hands are too shaky. I don't know if you can see are my fingers even shaking? Yes, they are. This sports bra was definitely a different color, but it's darker now because that's all sweat. My hair, it looks like I just showered. Because it's soaked with sweat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post again, and tune in for the next Toni Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.